Hey everyone, welcome to Omar's Tip of the Week. Every Wednesday I'll be dropping a tip to help you with your video projects. Today's tip is understanding why shooting in 4K is best for your video project. Now, why? It's because you can zoom in on a video without losing quality. Let's see how that works. Alright, here we have a visual with 4K, 1080p, and 720p. And these are three of the resolutions videos are recorded mainly nowadays. And this is just to give you a frame of reference of how big a 4K video is compared to 1080p compared to the 720. So when you record your video in 4K, you're recording it 3,840 pixels by 2,160 pixels. And if you were to record a video in 1080p, you'd record it in 1920 pixels, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now you can see the big difference of size, and actually it is twice the size. You multiply 1920, you will actually get 3840. And also if you multiply 1080, you will actually get 2160. So 4K is actually twice the size of 1080p. Now, why are we gonna record in 4K? I wanted us to get this reference because you're gonna be able to zoom in without losing video quality when you create a project and export it in 1080p. Now, that may be a little mumbo jumbo. What do you mean by that? So let's go ahead and dive into Premiere Pro so I can show you a 4K video and how to change the sequence settings to a 1080p, and then you can actually see the 4K being zoomed in and how we can manipulate it without losing any quality. Let's go. Alright, so here we are, we're in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this clip I recorded in 4K. I'm going to go over to Sequence, which is up here. And then you're going to click that first option, which is Sequence Settings. And here you're going to see your different settings, frame rate. What we want is the frame size. As you can see here, it's 3840 by 2160, which is the 4K. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in the settings for a 1080p video, which is 1920 by 1080p. Now, it took me a while to really understand the numbers, but you can also look down here or to the right, and I'll say 16 by 9, and that is your frame size that you want. Click OK, and there automatically you'll see your 4K video zoomed in. And why? As we saw in the previous slide, that 4K is twice the size of 1080p. Now, what do I do here? Well, one, you can go ahead and zoom in to see where you want. So I can click here and then just move it around. Or if, let's say you recorded 4K but you just want 1080p, you can go over to your clip, right click on a PC, double click on a Mac, and then scroll up or scroll down, whichever you get. You're gonna go to set to frame size. And the reason why it was like that is because I moved it around. But there we go. It's basically the frame size, and you fill up, and that's 1080p, right? And what if I wanted to zoom in on the drone or the picture? I can go ahead and zoom in. I'm using the trackpad on a Mac, or you can go over to the left side right here and just change the scale. So zoom in a little more, click and drag, and there you go. We can get a good zoom in video of whatever part of that frame, because we shot it in 4K and it doesn't lose any resolution. So that is why you should record in 4K if possible. If you have the storage space, go ahead and shoot it in 4K. It will take more space, but you will get this in post-production, and you'll be so glad that you recorded it that way. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've learned something new or want to know a specific tip, go ahead and drop that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch a new tip each week. Peace.